Hello everybody and welcome back to 99 Lifestyle, and today I'm so excited to share with you my new bag. Now I'm so excited for this bag. I am super crazy about this bag because, well, it's for my birthday as well. Batzy got this bag for me. Yes, Batzy again. Yeah, but I'll be soon collecting on bags because I was usually thinking about getting the bag, but not yet. And apparently he saw how much I love the bag, how much I really wanted a bag like that, and so he got it for me. So he got it for me on my birthday, and I am so happy that I got it. I'm so happy and excited to see it. And well, I did see it already, and it actually has a story on why I really was so obsessed with this one. It's because there's this person that I love. She's actually the reason why I started YouTube. So the person that made me want to start collecting bags like these, or not really bags like these, but luxury bags, but only the idea or the design of it, like designer dupes of it, is because I saw how iconic it is, and I do love fashion, but I never really expected to be able to think of getting bags because I was more thinking of clothes. I am very obsessed with clothes. I love fashion. I do different kind of tweaks like that, but I was technically a bit happy of what the bags I have, but then I realized that they're not really my style. The bags that I got, I mean, I still love them, they're still gorgeous, but they're not my go-tos. Like, I have specific bags that I'll be sharing that are my go-tos, but this one is has become a go-to or a favorite of mine. The design is amazing, it's a beautiful, iconic bag, but I got it in a dupe. So this is technically from Shopee. I love Shopee. I'm a Shopee-holic. Hashtag Shopee-holic down there. And I know that a lot of people are obsessed with it as well. So I was trying to figure out if there are really nice bags that are not the actual bags. I mean, there are a lot of replicas, but this one is more on a dupe. Like, it's not literally or the exact point by point design of the bag, but it has the inspiration of the bag. So I wanted to collect these kind of bags with different colors that I prefer, of course. And so I wanted the first one to be with the bright color red. Now my favorite is red, and apparently the girl that inspired me to, see this bag as an ideal iconic color or ideal iconic bag with so much purpose in it is technically a red bag, but her favorite color is actually pink. So there, but this is a red bag. I am so excited to share it. I can't stop blabbing about it, but here it is. I'll be showing it to you now. So it's the BIRKIN bag. Now here, it's huge, like so big, like that. Okay, this is an iconic bag. This is, when I measured it, this is size 35. Like, it's really so big here. So this is size 35 centimeters. It has this, but it doesn't have the lock. Technically, the lock of this is like a weird design. Here it is, the design. It's actually cute, and then it's just covered what the actual lock looks like. So here it is. Here. Oh, and then this one doesn't really have it has a keyhole, but it doesn't need a key. I mean, you could just pull it there, and then you could pull it again to lock it, which is okay for me. I'm not really OC on locking bags. Well, I do like locking bags for protection, of course, but it's not really my pet peeve. So I'm happy about this already. I don't know if you can see there, and then locking it with this piece there. And then it's actually locked in here, so that's where you put it, and that's what it's going to look like. But anyway, here's the bag, and let's open it. I did open this partially already, and if you do get this bag, I will link below where he got this for me. We both saw this shop already, but I wasn't really sure on what the quality really looked like, because compared to the other bags that I saw, this is, I think, the cheapest compared to the others. Okay, this is the cheapest bag that I got from it, and it's really stunning. This one has silver hardware, see, and like I said, it doesn't have the branding as well. There's no branding there. It has a turn lock as well. So let's get a stand. Here it is, and then so let's open it. So there. Now these bags are really hard to open. I mean, it really will take you long. But if that doesn't bother you, and like I said, this won't bother me because I will technically leave this open as well. So here it is. Right there, and just put it there. And then just put it here. I did notice that this one easily flops down. I'm not sure with the original. But there is the bag. I usually would carry it like this. I haven't used this yet, but I will use this soon. But I haven't used it yet, but I'm so excited to try. So here it is, and the difference between this and the other, or the original one, is this. They have like this ring support here. Usually it's just stitching, but this one has a ring support, so it would look sturdier. It is sturdier, so there. And the bright color for me is insanely beautiful, and I think the rub here or the stitching here is actually darker on other like original ones. If you see the original color of this one with the original bag, the original brand made it, this one is darker usually, but this one, no, it actually almost is the same. But that doesn't actually bother me. The bag is nice and huge, and this is a perfect size for a really big office bag when you have a lot of things in it, like a laptop, a mini laptop. And just to confirm to you guys that this has so many things that you can fit inside and it's sturdy, is because I have here the size of a short envelope. There's a lot of paper in here because they have these like documents here, and then I can fit it actually here with myself. And it fits perfectly. Just be careful. There you have it there. Insert it there. Nice and sturdy. And then I can just put the flap there so it's not like too obvious. So here is the envelope. And see, it fits. Like there's no bulkiness in it. Not sure it's bulky, but I mean it's perfect size for that. It fits also a mini laptop. Now, I don't have a mini laptop here right now, but it does fit a mini laptop. But if you have like the super big laptop, then I don't think this is the one for you unless you pull this out a bit more. Like that. Like super big. And that. Now the leather is like not super soft, but it holds a lot. Like that. And just leave it there like that, and then there, like really a lot more bigger. So here is the bag, and then you can fit a lot more. My makeup kit, or my supposed makeup kit, I just put the lock in here, and specifying what's the thing. Put the lock in the mini pocket, my medicine, my blotting paper, my lip balm to fit in the slot as well, my coin purse, my mini wallet with the fit slot, and my medicated powder. So see, there's a lot that can still fit and more. My umbrella can fit here as well, and it's this one, by the way, when I got it, it's super light, like super light, but it's sturdy and strong. And then when you put a lot of stuff, that's when you'll feel it's heavy, but it hasn't deformed yet compared to the stuff that I've already put. But it hasn't deformed yet, which is good. And plus, I don't really often put a lot of makeup. This is because I'm going on site. That's why I'm bringing this one. This just has my set of like my mascara, my curlers, my eye curler, my alcohol is here actually. So these are like the basic necessities of if I'm going to be packing for a long trip out. So other than that, yeah, keeping this. These are my like typical things that I bring. And then the lipstick, and the key, the lock, this one, the wallet, and of course removing the envelope. Now the content of this is actually a zipper right there. It's a good zipper there, and then there's like this mini. Out. There's this mini pocket there, and there's a bigger pocket there. See? So that's mainly the content of it. Doesn't have like a really big pocket or small pocket compared to the original one, but it is stunning. So this is it, the bag. And I will be using this a lot because, like I said, I do wear a lot of neutral outfits, or even if I wear like the dark blues like that, as long as it's neutral and not wild colors, this will be my color or my cup of color on a bag. And it's beautiful. I mean, look at that. It's so chic, so stunning to look at, and it's a beautiful design. And yeah, you can hold it here. It's not painful when you only bring a few stuff. So I'm excited to be using this in a lot of purposes. You'll be seeing this more on my Instagram. You'll be seeing this more in a lot of my videos, and I'll be styling this more to you on maybe 5 outfits with 1 bag, or even more. But like I said, it's a beautiful bag. This color, you can't go wrong with this color. But if you want it to be safe on a bag, so get the black one. Get a black one, because if this is beautiful on its own by a red color, which you can already see a flaw if ever there's a flaw in it, and it doesn't have one, then get a black bag. It easily hides more stuff. I mean, it easily hides the dents if there are ever dents. And if you want to be first a safe color or a safe choice, then there's black. There's also actually white, brown, maybe not the hot pink. I wouldn't recommend it as your first bag, but if you really love pink, there's a hot pink color, and there is a red one, and there is an orange one. Now I think I'm excited to get the orange one, because I'm not usually a person who really loves orange, but I think this one I'm leaning towards it, but not yet. Okay, I really want to save it up for maybe a special event or a special accomplishment that I got. But like this one, it's perfect for since it's my birthday. I got this bag here. It's beautiful. It's stunning. I am so happy about it. I'm so happy with it, and so I'm excited to use it a lot more. So here's my bag. This is my advice for you on like getting big bags. If you really love the design, get it. But if you're doubting yourself if you should get it or not because you're not sure if it's a nice design, not because if you have the money, because if you have the money, then twice the money of the price, then you should get it. But if you're doubting the design of it, or if you can pair it up easily, then don't get that bag, because it means it's not the bag that you really want. So that's my advice to you. Get a bag that you really want, put it on a color that you really want. So it's not really a judgment there, but I suggest to have a bag that's nice and suitable for a lot of your outfits, especially if you're going to the office and you don't want something really too crazy, then get a black, brown, or white. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe down below. If you want to see my bag collection, like every bag that I have, then comment down below as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!